clear the confusion. Mastering can, could, may, and would. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to dive into a topic that often confuses English learners: the modal verbs can, could, may, and would. These words may seem simple, but they're surprisingly tricky. Misusing these modal verbs is a common mistake, but don't worry, we're here to help you avoid these errors. First off, let's distinguish the differences between can, could, may, and would. Can is used to express ability or to ask for or give permission. For example, I can swim, or can I use your phone? Could is the past tense form of can, but it's also used to express possibilities and make polite requests. For example, I could swim when I was young. Or, could you pass the salt, please? May is a more formal way to ask for or give permission. It's also used to indicate possibilities. For example, may I use your phone? Or, it may rain later. Would is used to talk about hypothetical situations and polite requests. For example, I would travel more if I had the time. Or, would you like a cup of coffee? Now, let's discuss some common mistakes and how to avoid them. Mistake 1. Using can or could when may is more appropriate. While can or could are used for permissions, may is more formal and polite. For instance, instead of saying, "Can I leave early?" say, "May I leave early?" Mistake 2. Using can when could is needed. Remember, could is used for hypothetical situations or polite requests. Instead of saying, "Can you help me?" which sounds a bit direct, say, "Could you help me?" to sound more polite. Mistake 3. Confusing would and could. Would is used for hypotheticals and could for possibilities. Instead of saying, "I would swim when I was young," which implies a hypothetical situation, say, "I could swim when I was young," indicating a past ability. And there you have it, folks. The secrets of can, could, may, and would unveiled. Remember, the key to mastering these modal verbs is understanding their distinct uses and practicing them in context. Keep practicing, and soon, you won't have to think twice before using them. Stay curious, keep learning, and I'll see you in our next English language learning adventure.